Morning class. We'll discuss today about etiquette. The definition we have already discussed. After that, home etiquette last class we have discussed. Today we'll discuss about school etiquette. School etiquette, the first one is be punctual. We always used to say that while you are going to school, that means you have to be very punctual. Is it like suppose your school will start from 7:30, so before 7:30 you should reach to the school, is it? So it is known as the punctual. So you should be very punctual while you are going to school. This is one of the etiquette. Second point is that obey the school rules. Obey the school rules. The school rules you have to obey. Clear? You have to obey the school rules. Whatever instructions are given, whatever rules regulations are there in your institute or school, you have to follow on that. Is it? Your school will start from 7:30 and it will end to 1:30. That means that particular time you have to be properly in your school, properly attend your school and all this. So, and in spite of that, classes or all other rules and regulations are there in your school, that also you have to follow. So you have to be obey or respectful to your rules. Obey the school rules. Be respectful to the teachers and staff, whatever whoever is there, the teachers. Okay, respectful to the teachers, respectful to your teachers and other staffs. Clear? Other staffs, whoever is there, you have to be respectful towards them. That is one of the etiquettes in school. Clear? Then do immediately what you are directed to do. If your teacher has instructed you to do some work or your principal has instructed you to do some work, you should directly do that work. Is it? You should follow. You should be followed that one. Is it? So be like that. Do immediately whatever the instructions has given to you or directions has given to you to do. Clear? Do not answer back. Whatever they will say, listen. Don't just answer back them. This is a very bad courtesy. Clear? First listen. If you are having any fault, it will be punishable. So just listen to them. Or if you just answer them back, they can be irritated, they can be disturbed by your words and reverse can happen. So what will be your etiquette? Do not answer back them. Clear? Tell the truth always, whatever the truth. If you are fault, then also you should say the truth always. It takes courage to tell the truth. Cowards tell lies out of fear. So don't be just coward. Whatever you have done, tell the truth, because we know that it needs strength to say the truth to the teachers or the principal and all, but always say the truth. Whether you have done wrong or not doesn't matter, but you have to say the truth. That is only the etiquette. Respects everyone's rights. You should respect everyone's right. You are responsible for that and you should always follow that one. Don't litter the school grounds. This is one of the etiquette you have to follow. Don't just spit here and there. Okay, don't litter. Don't mess the toilets. If you do, clean it up. Whatever you have used, the school properties and all, especially the toilets and all, that also belongs to you. So you should be careful about this. Practice being well mannered. Always practice to behave or manner properly. Don't bully. Prevent bullying. Report bullying. Don't just say arguing with others. Don't just report like that the complaints and all. This is very bad. Don't graffiti or vandalize property. Don't just play with the properties. School property means your also. So don't just mess with that. Report graffiti offences being committed. Okay. Report acts of vandalism being committed. Be respectful of public and private property. Whatever is there, you should be very respectful towards them, the private and public property. So in school etiquette, the first part is these are the general etiquettes you have to follow in school. Now in your book you will see that classroom etiquette is there, school uniform etiquette is there, playground etiquette is there, sport etiquette is there, transport etiquette is there. So different etiquettes are there. That also we'll discuss separately. So today we have discussed only the general etiquettes, that we have discussed punctuality, respectful towards the teachers and other staffs, take responsibility of telling truth. Okay, don't just bullying After that, don't just waste the school properties, use the school properties properly. These are all things we have actually done today. So just read out these points and write down in the copy. Till then, thank you class.